What you're looking at here is what the latest thing about septic tank. You don't need to build a hollow block septic tank. You can just have a hole and put this in. This one is a vertical 1000 liter vertical purified septic tank at $799.75. So this is what you bury inside. And you also got these connections that you can see here. So instead of, I've used this once on one of my houses before when it just come out, and it does work. So this is what I'm planning to do when I do the bungalows. They have their own septic tank each, and this is the thing that I don't need to make a hollow block septic tank, but this one is already got chambers inside, so it will be faster. This is what I'm thinking to use. What do you think? I've used this once, like I said, in one of my houses that I used to build before when this one just come out. So like 8,000 pesos for the set of this, and then you connect your pipes through this one. So you can even have, they already got chamber inside that separates it. So I just bought Old Beast wood glue. So it has in the price range that she said 4 kilograms 600.